Hello everyone, today is a quick video about frequently asked security questions related to Azure DevOps for Jira application. Most of them are covering all our cloud apps, but there are a few specifics for Azure DevOps for Jira by move forward. So let me tell you first that we are SOC 2 Type 2 compliant company. We basically, security is number one priority for us. Participate in different programs like Bug Bounty, where multiple white hat hackers try to break our cloud applications. We also participate in Cloud Fortified program by Atlassian. We ensure that our infrastructure is reliable, secure, and performant. Of course, we are GDPR compliant as well to ensure that our European customers can use the rights. If you want to get our data protection agreement, it's in the footer on our website. It's a template, so you will need to contact our support with providing you the company details which you can fill in and sign it with you. What else is interesting here? We are data processor and we store data in our logs for 7 days. So this is our rotation period. Our backend currently is fully serverless and it's hosted in AWS US East 1 region, which of course may not work for you, but let us know. And now I will explain you how two operations work. One is the setup process and then another how end user sees the data in which we process. So when Jira admin sets up our application, they usually will have a token which is read-only token, which must have code, build and release permissions. It's passed to our UI, then using HTTPS passed to our backend, and it's encrypted, stored in our AWS DynamoDB using AES asynchronous encryption. We do not have even any APIs to return the token. So basically there is no way to even retrieve it, get it. It's only used in our backend. This is done to enhance security and reduce security surface. When our token is stored, this operation is done. The next step, usually admin does, they subscribe or associate Azure DevOps projects, which makes our application create subscriptions in each project for different events like code push, pull request created, pipelines started, finished, and so on, which makes our application receive updates from Microsoft when there is an update done on a user on Azure DevOps side. More or less setup is done. After this, we will be waiting for notifications from Microsoft Azure DevOps. Let's assume sometime later, after the setup is finished, a normal Azure DevOps user creates a feature branch, does a push, and we will receive a JSON payload. We will parse it. Very often we will use additional REST API calls to enhance the data and look for additional historical information to ensure that we can have enough information to extract Jira issue keys from multiple fields. We can use commit messages, pull request summaries, build artifacts, and so on. They will be looking for Jira issue keys in order to associate those Jira issue keys with those development artifacts. As soon as we found keys, we will be sending data to Atlassian directly and saying that, oh, hey, Atlassian, those Jira issues need to be associated with particular branches commit pull requests, and Atlassian will store all the data on the end. We don't store any of those informations. More or less, webhook processing is done, and sometime later, eventually, Jira software end user will come to Jira issue view, where they have the access to, and they will see development panel, which was fully rendered and presented by Atlassian, and it may include data from multiple sources. One of them is Azure DevOps. If something missing in my explanation, please let us know in the comment below. Thank you very much.